Welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I'm going to show you the live price predictions of the XEM coin. What's the prices goes and XEM, what's the current status of XEM in the cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about XEM coin, friends. Now let's see the price prediction of XEM coin. After that we decide that according to the price prediction what's the next target of XEM coin. So friends, as absolutely a very bad chance occur in the XM coin. As you can see here, the structure of the XM coin is a very complex. You don't understand anything by this XM coin chart, as you can see here. So that is the last 1 day price prediction you are watching now. If you look the change occur in the last 1 day and the XM coin, so the change as positive 0.36%. 0.36% change occur in XEM coin only in the 1 day. Absolutely a very bad change. That's not a negative, but they are a very less change in the last 1 day, friends. And the high price of the XEM coin is $0.444 USD dollar is the high price of XEM coin in the last 1 day period. Now friends, if we look the graph of the XEM coin, so absolutely a very complex structure occurs in the XEM coin. As you can see here, a really bad falls occur in the XEM coin. As you can see here, there is a complex structure occur in the XEM coin. After some falls there is a jump, after a falls there is a jump. As you can see here, the same procedure occur in the XEM coin. As you can see here, the one candle of the two candle of the falls and the one candle of the jump, same like that process occur in the XEM coin. As you can see here, 4 candle of the falls and 1 candle of the jump. So absolutely a very bad chance will go on in the XEM coin. As you can see here on the graph, the price very badly falls down in the last 1 day, friends. So what's the next target of XEM coin? What's the next what's going next in XEM coin? Let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. According to the last 1 hour, we decide that what's going and the next in the XEM coin, friends. So friends, if you are not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel and like this video. I really appreciate your every like on this video, friends. They're loading, so please wait for a minute and make sure, please don't ignore my words. If you are not subscribed, so please subscribe now and have a beautiful comment us that please comment us that how you like this video or not. Please comment us, friends. As you can see here, the XEM coin price prediction of the last 1 hour really complex structures. They continuously fast occur in the XEM coin, very badly fast occur in the XEM in the last 1 hour, friends. As you can see here, very badly falls down occurs in the XEM coin, friends. So if we look the average change occur in the XEM coin in the last 1 hour, so the last 1 hour change is negative 2.81% is the change occur in the XEM in the last 1 hour, and the high price of XEM is 0.4457 USD dollar is the high price of XEM in the last 1 hour, friends. So what's the next target of the XEM coin? As you know, the continuously falling period of the XEM starts now from the last 1 hour. So that's clear for all of you that XEM coin start falling, continuously falling occurs. I think 4 to 5 hours the continuously falls occur in an XEM coin. After that, XEM coin have a chances to take a jump again. I think today is the falling day of XEM coin. That is clear for all of you. After tomorrow, there will be chances today take a jump in a cryptocurrency market. So what's your opinion about XEM coin as they goes upward in the future, as they goes upward tomorrow or falls down again tomorrow? What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box and subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.